Where the big rubber dynamite at? What's up, Dow? Good to see you. Don't forget about next Wednesday night at the Incarnation with the Hot Gold Sweatband, y'all. And next Friday night with Experience Unlimited. And the following Saturday night, we're going to be back down here, y'all. All right? Special case going to all the hustlers at the 80s. Where the Fordsville hustlers at? I said, where's the Fordsville hustlers at, y'all? Huh? You got the Fordsville hustlers in the house tonight? Huh? All right. I need everybody to say nothing. We want all the ladies up front, y'all. Oh. Y'all. All right. Everybody,